Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this very easy slanted puff stitch border. So let's get started. To work this easy border, start in a corner. And I'm going to make my first slanted puff stitch here. So I'm going to yarn around the hook, insert into that stitch, and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, pull through all loops, chain one. Now I'm going to skip the next stitch, and I'm going to insert my hook in the next stitch, pick up the yarn, and pull it through. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all the loops on the hook. Chain one. Skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the same stitch, pull up a loop. Pick up the yarn, pull it through all the loops on the hook. Chain one. Skip, insert into the next stitch, and pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn around the hook, pull through all the loops, chain one. Skip into the next stitch. I'm going to repeat that all the way across the row, and then I'll show you what to do when we get to a corner. Okay, I'm at the end of the row, and I do happen to have only 2 stitches left. If I had 3 stitches, instead of just skipping 1 stitch, skip 2. So I'm going to insert into my corner stitch and complete my puff stitch. And then I'm going to chain 1. Now when I'm working down this side, I'm going to skip the equivalent of 1 stitch. So I need to turn the corner, so I'm going to, instead of chaining 1, I'm going to chain an additional chain stitch. And then I'm going to skip that stitch and I'm going to work in here. If your work does not have single crochet stitches, then estimate by eye approximately the right distance. So insert into the stitch and pull up a loop, and then complete my puff stitch. Pick up the yarn, pull through all of the loops, and chain 1. Skip, work into this stitch. Like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work all the way around so that I can show you how to end it at the end of the row. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last stitch. I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to come right over to the base of that first stitch and I'm going to slip stitch to join. And then you can fasten off and weave the yarn end into the finished work. And there you go. That's another very easy, durable, and rigid border that you can add to maybe even a jacket sleeve or blankets or scarves or coasters. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.